Hi, graders. So here are your directions for Tuesday. So first you want to go to your agenda. So by doing that, you'll go to, let me go to Science Period 1, and you'll click Classwork. And we are in March, so you'll scroll down to March 1st, March 5th, and click Weekly Agenda, and then this will pop up. You need to first do your bell ringer, and then review your 20 elements. This week, we're doing an activity called the Element Instagram activity. It'll be posted in this week's topic and will be linked to your class period. But what this is you will be given a specific element and you're going to be creating an Instagram account for that element. Slide 2 is where you will have previews of your Instagram post, where you'll need a profile picture. You'll need to fill in your element as your name, your tagline, and you can just get as creative as possible. So you'll go to slide 2 and you'll figure out what profile picture you want your Instagram to have, your name and what your tagline is. So for example, it could be like if you had neon, hashtag neon is out of this world, and be creative. And then we are focusing on the first 3 posts, which will be the next 3 slides. Okay, so don't move this box. So the first is going to be insert your periodic table picture. If you go to slide 3, it tells you the directions for the next slide. You need to find a picture of the element on the periodic table. Once you find it, you're going to double tap the image and click replace image with the picture. And then you're always going to go back to your slide 2 where your profile picture is and update those pictures as you go. You're going to fill in your caption and be sure to include the following: the element name, element symbol, period, what period that element is in, what group or family, the atomic number and atomic mass. And then again, you can be as creative as you'd like to be. Any of that information can be in your hashtags. So this is directions for slide 4. If you look to the left, here's slide 4. So you're going to double tap and you're going to click the replace image and you're going to upload or search the web for a picture of the periodic table on a picture of your element on the periodic table. Here is where your caption is going to be, and as you type, the box will get bigger. Okay, and so you want to make sure you're including all of this information on your caption. Whatever picture you put here, you want to make sure you always go back to your slide 2 and insert that picture. Then you're going to go to the next slide, which explains slide 6, which is a picture of the Bohr model, so the atomic structure of your atom. You're going to do the same thing. Find the picture, double tap, and replace image. So this image will now be a picture of your Bohr model. You're going to do that again on slide 2, again, the one that has your Facebook or Instagram profile. Okay. And then on your caption, you have to make sure you include how many protons that atom has, how many neutrons, electrons, energy shells, and how many valence electrons. Again, be as creative as you can. Some of that information can be in a hashtag. Okay. Then you're going to go do slide 8. And this is a picture of everyday use of your element. So what is your element used for? Again, you are going to find the element, everyday use. So if you're doing neon, it might be in some of those like neon bright lights. You might find a cool image of that, double tap, replace image. And again, you go back to slide 2 where it has your Instagram profile picture. So these are up to date. And in your caption, you want to include what matter, state of matter it's in. So is it a solid, liquid, or gas based on your description? Explain what the use is, and then any other information we should know as that element. Okay. Those are the only 3 things you are doing. Then you are stopping. We're going to come back to this after we talk more about atoms and turning them into ions. So you stop at slide 9. So you are doing the first 3 posts. Periodic table picture, which is here. Write a caption. Make sure you're including all of the information. a Bohr model, so our atomic structure, what we've been drawing, our atom. And again, make sure you include everything in your caption and be creative, use hashtags. And then finally, you are going to do an everyday use of your element. So what is it used for? And find a picture and use all this stuff in your caption. Okay, those are your directions. We're going to keep coming back to it.